Were the pyramids built by aliens? There is no credible evidence to support the idea that the pyramids were built by aliens. The construction of the pyramids is attributed to the ancient Egyptians, specifically during the Old and Middle Kingdom periods. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, was built during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, also known as Cheops, around 2580 to 2560 BC. The precise methods used to construct the pyramids remain a topic of debate among historians and archaeologists. However, several theories have been proposed based on archaeological evidence and our understanding of the ancient Egyptians and Apo's capabilities. Some of the most common theories about how the pyramids were built include 1. Straight or zigzagging ramps. These ramps, made of mud brick or limestone, could have been built alongside or around the pyramid. Workers would use these ramps to transport massive stone blocks up the pyramid as it was being built. 2. Spiral or internal ramps. Some researchers propose that a spiral ramp was built inside the pyramid, allowing workers to transport the stone blocks without the need for an external ramp. 3. Counterweight systems. This theory suggests that the ancient Egyptians used counterweight systems, such as levers and cranes, to lift and move the massive stone blocks. 4. Water transportation. Some researchers have suggested that the ancient Egyptians might have used water to transport the stone blocks. They could have flooded channels or basins to float the blocks closer to the construction site. Despite ongoing debate, it is widely agreed that the ancient Egyptians and Apo's ingenuity, engineering skills, and sheer manpower were responsible for the construction of the pyramids, not extraterrestrial intervention.